So I found this sign from Michael's, and it was 60% off for one, and then I also had a 25% off of everything. So I did not have to pay the normal $17 price. I did put contact paper right on top of it because I'm going to teach you guys, broke my nail. Jeez, I have some weak ass nails. I'm going to teach you guys how to gold leaf without friggin' machinery, okay? Because I don't have money to get that stuff. So I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this without all of the jazz. So what I did was I put the contact paper, I cut a piece that was as big as the board, I put it right on top, and I just kind of smoothed it out, and we'll go from there. All right, hope you guys enjoy. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. All right, so here's kind of a close-up. Here, let me cover the flash, not the camera. Trying to. Okay, there we go, that kind of worked. So here's a close-up of how I did things. So I put the ABST right there because I wanted to say that, hey, this half is gonna have the ABST, this half is gonna have the RACT, and then down here, everything worked out perfect, my name, you know, because it was divided by 4s. So look at that. So you guys can see that really all that work that you put in for those lines really pays off. Everything is sitting nicely on that bottom line. I didn't really follow a top line too much. You can see with the A and the B, I just kind of did whatever I could, whatever was comfortable for my hand. And then I followed my computer. I pulled it up on defont.com and put in an example, and that's what I followed as best as I can. But you guys can see I messed up too. All right, look at that. I messed up too. So really, just make sure that B looked horrible at first. Might actually even thicken up this part of the line right here. But make sure that you're happy with what you have before you take the X-Acto knife, which is our next step. See, messed up again. Okay, so now that we are done with that painstaking process of carving out all these individual letters, I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a nice firm press, especially around those areas that don't have anything to cling on to, like the inside of the S, you know, little things like that. And what I'm gonna do is spray it with some Krylon Brilliant Gold spray paint. And I think I actually said gold leafing earlier. I did not mean gold leafing. I'll make sure that I put in the title of this video that it's not gold leafing because I mean, you can do gold leafing and everything. You can do the same thing and you know, try to do like a rub with a pencil and having the graphite on the back too, and then that way when you rub it, it'll kind of transfer. I just figured that'd be a lot harder to see, so that's why I have this one. So you just want to make sure that you're mixing up your spray paint really well. The wind is coming back towards me, so I'm actually going to stand over here. Ugh. Fall down my dog's digging hole. Good Lord. Okay. And you just want to give it a nice good coat. Ooh, this is going to be pretty. Let that dry just a little bit and you can come back over and do some more. Just do quick bursts. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, I love it, I love it, I love it. Ooh, party! I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. Okay, let that dry. Let me show you guys. Okay, here we go. Look at that. I mean, it's obviously not perfect, but it's really, really good, and I'm happy with that. This is going to be a sign that I'm going to hang up in my canopy, right at the back. So, cool. Let it dry, let it dry, let it dry. Okay, so spray paint dries extremely quickly, so it's already dry. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bend up the contact paper from the back here. Oh goody, it got my price tag off. Thank goodness. There we go. Okay, so this is with the flash on. I don't think, let me try to cover it again, see if I can. I don't know, let's just pretend like that's without the flash. And it's really hard to see, so I think I am gonna go ahead and gold leaf this. And I'll do that same method that I told you guys in that last little bit, which is glue and gold leaf. And then I'll be finished. All right, hope you guys enjoy. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.